Yes, dear students, now I am starting the new topic capacitance. Till now you have learned electric potential, electric field produced by charge at rest. Now, when we give charge to any conductor, electric potential appears on the surface, and greater the charge, more the potential. So what is capacitance in fact? I will be explaining everything, but basically the word is derived from capacity. Capacity of holding something is capacitance. Like a bucket can hold 5 liter of water. So capacity of holding water of bucket is 5 liter. So here ability of conductor to hold charge is measured as capacitance. Then how the concept has been achieved? How this concept of capacitance has been achieved? We know practically it is found that electric charge I must write Q present on a conductor is proportional to the electric potential. Electric charge present on a conductor is proportional to the electric potential of conductor. Mathematically, we can write it as Q proportional to V. What is Q? Charge present on conductor. V, electric potential. Or we write Q is equal to CV, where C is constant of proportionality, where C is constant of proportionality. And is called capacitance of the conductor. Actually, the word constant of proportionality creates confusion among students, but they never ask what is the meaning of constant of proportionality. Actually, in mathematics there is term unitary method. What is that? To find the cost, suppose, of some article, like you purchase banana, and you went to market and you ask what is the rate. So that rate is in fact constant of proportionality here. He says ₹50 per dozen, Now you want to get the cost of 4 bananas. So what is there? 12 bananas cost rupees 50. Then 4 bananas cost how much? So what you will do? You will find first cost of 1 banana. That will be 50 upon 12. So that 50 upon 12 is the cost of banana per banana, and that is here constant of proportionality. And then you multiply by 4. तो ऐसे हमने यहाँ पर है ना चार्ज पर यूनिट वोल्ट बराबर सी हो जाएगा. सो चार्ज ऑन वी वोल्ट क्यू बराबर सी वी. आई थिंक इट मस्ट बी क्लियर कि व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कांस्टेंट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनलिटी. And when I ask student what the meaning, क्यों होता है जी? It happens there. नहीं, why it happens there? जैसे in class 11 when student come to me के sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From where it has come? It happens in trigonometry. ये होता है trigonometry में. Why it happens in trigonometry? So you must argue with your teacher, your friends, from where these such things are coming. So C is constant of proportionality, and is called capacitance of conductor. Now C is equal to Q upon V. So what does it mean? The charge per unit volt. Therefore, electric charge possessed by a conductor per volt. What is volt? Unit of potential is called, is numerically, I must say, numerically equal to capacitance. Capacitance, ability to hold charge, and that is measured in terms of charge hold per volt. Per volt, per unit volt नहीं, per unit तो potential कहेंगे फिर. Per volt. How much charge can be possessed by a conductor when its potential is 1 volt? That is the capacitance of conductor. If charge Q is taken in coulomb, and potential V in volt, then unit of capacitance is 1 farad. Capital F is symbol for farad. The word has been derived from Faraday, the scientist Faraday, who has done lot of work in science. So unit of capacitance is farad. Farad. Not farad. People speak farad. 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 It is farad. Exact pronunciation is farad. I found lot of trouble with the students. One girl came to me, speaking it as varying. I asked her to correct itself. It is varying. So if you are in confusion of pronunciation of particular word, consult your Google. You have Google in your uh, but everything is not correct in Google also. One day I was looking meaning of critical. General people call it as serious, and it was written in Google. Serious is not meaning of critical. By patient के बारे में बोले patient is critical means serious. No, he has become serious just after getting sick. Critical means a transition point. If the patient improves from that condition, he will survive. If the condition goes below that particular, then he will not survive. So that is called critical condition. Critical is a point or line of transition. Okay, that is not my point. So my aim is to tell you Farad. So Farad is the pronunciation of unit of capacitance. In fact, Farad is very big unit. I will prove it how big it is. Farad is very big unit of capacitance. So, for practical purpose, what is practical purpose? We use capacitors and in our electrical appliances, electronic appliances, and those capacitors are used here of very small value. So microfarad. For practical purpose, we use smaller units of capacitance. Then these are 1 millifarad we use करते हैं, but it is still large. Most commonly used is microfarad and nanofarad. 1 microfarad, capital F is not 10 to the power minus 6 farad. In class 11 there is a table in last pages which tell you prefix and suffix powers of 10 में लिखते ना kilo. Actually kilo 4k small k equal to 10 to the power 3. Like that. Kilo ohm, mega ohms, you might have heard. 1 nanofarad, capital small n, 10 to the power minus 9 farad. Picofarad भी है, 1 picofarad is also 10 to the power minus 12 farad. Actually, while teaching unit charge, I told Coulomb is very big unit, so capacitance is also very big unit. Now, in some exam, dimensional formula for capacitance is also asked. Dimensional formula of C. C equal to Q by V, and V is potential. It is W upon Q. So it is Q square upon W, and it means A square T square. Charge, fundamental, current is fundamental, and Q is equal to IT. Work ML2 T minus 2. So dimension formula for capacitance is M minus 1 L minus 2 T4 A square. Please keep on thinking what can be asked. Generally, many times such things are asked. Don't think it is a matter of class 11. What is told in class 11 is being used many times in class 12. The units are told in class 11. Now I will prove how big is 1 farad unit. So the topic which is generally not explained in the book. So I will write here first of all capacitance of spherical conductor. Just for us standing fine, and numericals are there also. Spherical conductor. It is very hot here, so I am getting sweating because I can't use AC. That creates a lot of noise. I can't use fan on full speed. Here, suppose it is sphere of radius, metallic sphere. This is a metallic sphere of radius capital R or small r, whatever you choose. We know metallic sphere. Metallic. This is metallic sphere. It is given charge. We know when some charge given to a conductor that gets spreaded over the surface uniformly. Uniformly, there will be some charge Q. The whole charge Q gets distributed uniformly. And we also know for a point outside the conductor or on surface, the whole charge appears at center and no charge inside and hence no electric field inside it. This is radius I have shown, but I can draw pattern of field line like this. Dotted lines indicate there is no electric field inside, but on surface field is perpendicular to surface. Dotted line indicate E equal to the inside. Please try to understand what I say. These dotted line indicates here that electric field inside conductor 0. Outside it is there. Okay, so pattern of field line will be like this. And so in figure, a metallic sphere of radius R is given charge Q. Is that clear? Now, if capital Q charge is given to a metallic sphere, then it gets distributed uniformly over the surface. But for a point on surface or outside the surface, outside, whole charge appears to be at center. So, electric potential at surface of charge sphere, potential at surface of charge sphere V equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R. This will be the potential when charge Q is present on the surface. Capacitance of conductor. So we know C equal to Q by V. So this is the V here, put it here, Q upon 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R, and that way C comes to be equal to 4 pi epsilon 0 R. यानी कि कैपेसिटेंस प्रोपोर्शनल टू रेडियस, bigger the sphere, more the bigger the conductor, bigger the size of conductor, more is the capacitance. Now if you try a question here, okay, what is the radius of spherical conductor? So that of capacitance 1 farad. Calculate the radius of sphere whose capacitance is 1 farad. So C equal to 4 pi epsilon 0 R. So 1 equal to 4 pi epsilon 0 R. So R is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. And you know it is 9 into 10 to the power 9 meter. A conductor whose radius is 9 to 10 to the power 9 meter. It is more than the size of sun. Radiation has smaller value than this. So we can't have a conductor here in spherical form which has capacitance of 1 farad. So that way 1 farad comes very big unit. You can try here capacitance of earth, assuming it is sphere of radius 6.4 10 to the power 6 meter. Capacitance of earth, assuming conductor of radius this. So that comes out here. Now by C equal to, this is 1 upon 9 10 to the power 9 into 6.4 10 to the power 6. So nearly 9 7 63.7 10 to the power minus 3 farad, or 7 into 10 to the power 4 minus 4 farad. अगर आप माइक्रोफैराड बनाएंगे तो नियरली 700, exactly 711 microfarad is the capacitance of earth. So big. So that way I have proved here that farad is very big unit of charge, capacitance. So we use smaller units. Now I think video has become long, so you start studying properly and you will get so many things here.